Hey there, homeowners. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Ricardo with Arizona Tile, and today we're delving into the world of tile installation. Are you planning a tile project but maybe feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the options out there? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around as we discuss some crucial things you need to know before diving into your installation journey. Today, we'll be covering the differences between LHT mortar and thinset, as well as the importance of tile trim pieces or edging details. Let's start with the basics. LHT mortar, also known as large and heavy tile mortar, is designed specifically for larger format tiles and stones. Its unique composition allows for better support and adhesion, preventing tile sagging or slippage during installation. On the other hand, thinset is a standard mortar used for most tile installations, suitable for smaller tiles and wall applications. It's essential to understand the specific requirements of your tile project to determine whether LHT mortar or thinset is the right choice for you. Your greatest asset and resource in selecting mortar versus a thinset is your installer. They will be able to let you know which option is best suited for your specific project. When it comes to application, LHT mortar is typically applied in thicker layers to accommodate the weight and size of larger tiles, ensuring a strong bond and preventing potential issues like lippage. In contrast, thinset is applied in thinner layers and is more commonly used for smaller tiles or wall installations where a lighter adhesive is sufficient. Choosing the right mortar is crucial for the longevity and stability of your tile installation. By understanding the differences between LHT mortar and thinset, you can ensure that your tiles are installed securely, minimizing the risk of cracks, slippage, or other potential issues over time. Now, let's talk about the importance of tile trim pieces or edging detail. These elements not only provide a polished, professional look to your tile installation, but also offer protection for the exposed edges of your tiles. Whether it's a matching tile trim piece or a metal trim piece like the Schluter profile options we offer, these components serve to create clean transitions and prevent chipping or damage to the edges of your tiles, especially in high traffic areas or wet environments. There is a wide range of tile trim options available, from classic surface bullnose edging to more contemporary and sleek profiles. The choice of tile trim can significantly impact the overall aesthetics of your project, so it's essential to consider the design style and functionality you're aiming for when selecting the right trim for your tiles. Many of our porcelain and ceramic tile series offer complementary trim options for each color within the series. These options range from a surface bullnose, which is a smaller rectangular tile with a rounded and finished edge, to very thin pencil bullnose options depending on the series. Schluter profile edging is another popular choice among homeowners and professionals alike. Known for its durability, versatility, and sleek appearance, with various profiles and finishes to choose from, Schluter edging not only protects your tile edges but also adds a sophisticated touch to your overall design, elevating the visual appeal of your space. To sum it up, understanding the difference between LHT mortar and thinset is crucial for ensuring a secure and durable tile installation, while incorporating the right tile trim pieces or Schluter edging can enhance both the aesthetics and longevity of your project. Make sure you assess your specific installation needs and consider the design elements that align with your vision for a successful and long-lasting outcome. And remember, you're not alone. Your installation team and the Arizona Tile staff are happy to help you. That wraps up today's video and discussion on essential tile installation tips. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insight. Explore all the videos in our Intro to Tile playlist, linked in the description, for more valuable information about tile. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Ciao.